Hey guys, today I have a special announcement, and today is somebody's birthday. Go now. Today is Chicken VR's birthday. He has played Gorilla Tag for quite a while now. His birthday is July 5th, pretty close to 4th of July, and happy 4th of July, everyone.
Yeah.
And yeah, here's our first gift for him. I have a cupcake. Light your candles, come on. Yeah, just eat the candles, just do that. Okay, guys, I have one more.
So good.
Yeah, I have one more gift for him. Okay, follow me. Okay, I think this is the place where we go get long arms. Come on. I think you're supposed to stand right there. Okay, I'm just gonna get it. Okay, got it. Start there. Okay, I think you're supposed to go. Hakuna Matata, Alakazam. Okay, guys, I think. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh my gosh, he has long arms. So good. Okay, guys, bye.
Bye.